what? I've got my colorful stick and I'm about to explode into fun and colorful balls.
Driving my forklift, having such fun, picking up the colorful balls, everyone. Watch me spin.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, everyone, let's paint the world. Look at all the colors as we drive.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Watch my tractor scoop the dirt, making pictures, what a treat. Vroom, vroom, look what we made, a happy smile just for...
Three, 2, 1, go!
Hello, children! Watch as I collect all the colorful eggs with a super fun trick.
Three, 2, 1, go!
Come on over, kids! It's time to get creative! Let's make some wonderful paintings together.
Three, 2, 1, go!
The happy truck is on its way, bringing fun for everyone today. Look at the balloons!
Three, 2, 1, go!
Okay, everyone, who can find the blue ball?
Wow, look! I found the yellow one!
Three, 2, 1, go!
Look at the street sweeper go! It's cleaning up all the colorful balls.